Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting bikes coming your way in 2025 at Honda CBR500R. This is a bike that combines style, performance, and practicality, making it a favorite for both new and experienced riders. Whether you're looking for your first sport bike or just love the Honda CBR series, this one promises to deliver. Let's start with the design. The 2025 CBR500R continues to carry that aggressive, aerodynamic styling that the CBR lineup is known for. The sharp lines and the sleek, aggressive stance are perfect for riders who want to turn heads wherever they go. Honda has really nailed the modern look, and it has that race-inspired vibe, but it's still practical enough for everyday use. The front end is noticeably more aggressive, and the LED headlights add a touch of technology that fits the overall futuristic theme. Moving on to the heart of the bike, the engine. The 2025 CBR500R comes equipped with a 471cc twin-cylinder engine. It's perfect for both city commutes and weekend rides out on the open roads. The power delivery is smooth, and the engine offers a great balance between being beginner-friendly and still providing enough performance to satisfy more experienced riders. It's not the fastest bike on the market, but it has enough power to make every ride enjoyable without feeling overwhelming. One of the key aspects of this bike is its handling. The CBR500R is lightweight, making it nimble and easy to maneuver in tight spaces or during quick cornering. Honda has designed this bike to be responsive, making it perfect for anyone who loves that connected feeling between rider and machine. Whether you're cruising down highways or tackling twisty back roads, the CBR500R offers confidence-inspiring control. When it comes to comfort, Honda has done a great job balancing the sporty nature of the CBR500R with everyday usability. The seat height is reasonable, making it accessible for riders of different sizes. The riding position isn't too aggressive, which means you can enjoy longer rides without feeling strained. Plus, the bike's lightweight frame contributes to a more comfortable and less tiring experience, even on longer journeys. Honda also made sure to include modern tech, including a digital LCD display that gives you all the important info at a glance, from speed to fuel levels. The bike features advanced suspension components and a solid braking system, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're cruising on straight roads or tackling more challenging terrain. To wrap it up, the 2025 Honda CBR500R is a fantastic bike for anyone looking for an exciting yet approachable ride. With its sharp looks, strong performance, and excellent handling, it's no surprise that this bike continues to be one of the top choices for riders in the sport bike category. If you're considering a new bike in 2025, the CBR500R is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes and reviews. Catch you next time.